When a recruiter picks up a resume for a product management role, the first and most important thing that they're looking for is how has this person demonstrated that they have the product skills and mindset needed to be successful as a product manager. There are three main ways that you can showcase this and add this to your resume. One, you can pick up a PM side gig or side hustle as a part of your existing role on the side in your current company. Two, you can build some specific PM skills and work on projects that build specific PM skills at your existing company. Three, build these skill sets on the side by using your creativity and just reviewing different products and different services that you use on a day-to-day basis. My name's Akash. I'm a product manager in Silicon Valley, and I want to talk to you about how you can get your first product management role. The most accurate indicator of future product management success is past product management success. It's a bit of a chicken and the egg problem where to get your first PM role, you need to have prior PM experience. And that's the situation that we want to talk about today. When recruiters are recruiting for product management roles, they want to see product management skills. Those are much more important than education, other work experience, other trainings, other grades, or other mechanisms that you might have on your resume. So let's talk about three ways that you can showcase this and add this to your resume. The first situation is where you pick up a side gig or a side project at your existing company, and you can work as a product manager during 20% time, where you can pick up a product management role or project in addition to your existing roles and responsibilities. A lot of companies offer this. Google famously has their 20% time projects, and other companies have similar mechanisms. If your company doesn't offer something like this, or if you're currently studying, you can work with local startups, work with friends, find someone in your network who is looking for a product manager, and just volunteer your time to do product management type of work. You can even shadow or work with a product manager to help them out where they need. You can do some customer discovery, helping them, call customers, speak to customers on the phone, or some other product skill that can be developed. While I was doing my MBA, I volunteered with a friend of mine who was starting her own fitness company and needed some help with the product side of things. So I volunteered as a product manager, helped her figure out what pain points her customers were facing, what she wanted to solve, what the best mechanisms to solve those were, built some prototypes and MVPs of the app, actually worked with engineers to build all of those things out and get those released to the App Store. This helped me build a lot of product management skills and get valuable product management experience on my resume, which I could then even talk about in interviews and when I would speak to hiring managers. The second way that you can showcase and build some of these product skills is to focus on specific skills and specific areas that you can build and showcase. So you don't have to find one project that encompasses all product management skills, but you can kind of pick and choose and have certain projects build on certain skill sets and other projects build on other skill sets. These are the 8 skill sets that I think are the most important for every product manager. You have to be good at working with a cross-functional team. You have to be able to build customer empathy. You have to have a clear writing style, be able to think strategically, good prioritization of tasks and objectives, work with design and UX, be able to conduct some meaningful and good market analysis, and have good technical jobs which you can use when you're working with engineers. Pick and choose projects which you can use to build some of these specific skill sets, and then as a whole you can talk about how you have learned all of the skill sets needed to be a good product manager. In the past, I was able to work with a lot of startups in Boston, helping them with specific projects and specific ideas that they were executing on. Though none of these were product management positions, I was able to build specific skills through these. For example, in one such internship, I was able to build customer empathy and how do you speak to customers and how do you go through customer discovery to figure out what the problem set customers are thinking about is. In another project, I was able to work more on the design and UX side, working with designers, picking an app logo, picking what the visual look and feel of the app should be. So both of these projects put together showcase different aspects of the product management skill set to potential recruiters. The third way of showcasing skills, if you aren't able to pick up a PM side gig or pick up any other projects to build PM skills, is to just pick and choose the products and services that you already use on a day-to-day basis and just post reviews of them, post blog posts, post videos, pick other creative methods to showcase your analysis of these products. The important thing here is to showcase how you are thinking of these products from a product manager's point of view and what your recommendations would be to improve these products based on your analysis of who the customer is, what the pain point is, and what is the solution that you are trying to get out there to customers. This is very easy, and this is a clear way how you can showcase that you can think from a product manager's point of view. I went and wrote a series of LinkedIn posts on apps that I use every day like Spotify, 1Password, Uber, and just posted articles about them on LinkedIn. Links to those posts in the video description. Check those out if you're interested. The important thing is to just get yourself out there, create content, and differentiate yourselves from all the other applicants who apply for a product management role without showcasing that they have the skills that are needed to be successful as a product manager. I have personally used all three of these methods and they have been very successful. I have had interviews where the interviewer is asking me about an article that I wrote or about a specific project that I took on to build a PM skill set. And they become ways for me to talk about my experiences, to talk about the trade-offs that I have had to think through, to talk about the projects and experiences that I have had from a very product management point of view. In the end, these were what helped me stand out from the other applicants. Let me know in the comments if you've used any of these methods or if you've used another method to get your first product management role. Best of luck and see you in the next video.